Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a fruit chart easy method. Start by choosing your goal, then list categories like color, size, and taste. Gather several fruit samples and a sheet or spreadsheet, and arrange fruits into categories. Measure counts and note observations for each group, keeping entries brief. Finally, review your table to spot patterns and adjust categories if needed for clarity and consistency. Begin by placing each fruit on a clean surface and writing its name and count on your sheet. Measure visible attributes like diameter in millimeters and note color family or texture briefly. If you can, take a quick photo for each entry to match visuals to data. Keep notes concise and consistent so you can compare fruits easily. This habit saves time and improves the accuracy of your final chart. Organize the sheet with columns for name, count, size, color, and a short notes field so everything is clear. Use simple color codes or symbols to highlight trends quickly, and pick readable fonts or handwriting. Group similar fruits together and sort rows by category or quantity to reveal patterns. A tidy layout helps communicate findings and makes the chart easy to update or share with others.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.